Welcome, I'm glad you're here. I'm very excited today because I get to open my box from Your Creative Studio. And this little, well, it's not that little, ephemera box is always loaded with goodness. I'm going to link everything underneath in case you want to subscribe and get your own monthly box of goodness. And I have seen little peeks on my feed of other ladies that have opened their boxes, but I kind of know the theme, but I haven't seen the whole, haven't seen any of the, just a little bit in the beginning because I want to be surprised. So this is the November box, which is beautiful, which is very appropriate for Christmas, I think, what I'm looking at. And usually I love everything about it, but she gives you little hints in the beginning. Like every box has like a custom themed, like her little card. And I see the theme on this one, you can kind of tell what it is. And then she sends you a little thank you note, which I think is so sweet and such a nice touch. And then the tissue paper I always save because, you know, us crafters. This is a beautiful, I love that fern a lot. And I can see this and look at her little seal is also on the paper. And I can use this for, I'm thinking my spring garden journal, I'm thinking. So let's open it up. I'm so excited. Let me see what she came up with. Look how pretty. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, ephemera goodness. Let's just start in the beginning. So look at her pretty little seal, another little, oh, I'll remember this. A little, not stamp, well it could be a stamp, but a little label. So you open it up a little bit and then, you know, we can use these envelopes, so, you know, I'm using it. And let's see what's in it. Oh, these are so cute. You guys, look how pretty. Last month was gorgeous, but this is so pretty. Look how beautiful. Can you see that? The little stack stamps. Look how cute. Oh my God, this is going to be a good one. This is going to be a good box. Excuse me. Here's another little seal, which I'm going to gently try to remove. I wonder what's in here. I love it. I was like, I've had this for a few days and I want it so bad. You don't know how hard it is to open it up, but I couldn't get to filming. So, oh, look how beautiful. Can you see? Let me see if I can show. Oh my God, look at the outfit on this. Look how cute. Look at the little bow tie. Can you see that? Is it focusing? Focusing. Can you see the little bow tie? How cute. Oh, I love it. This is a nice size stamp. I'm just going to go ahead and open all the little envelopes then. Washi. Oh, I love her washi's. Oh my God, last month's washi was so beautiful. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Let me see. Oh my God, this is stunning. Oh my God, look at this. Can you see that? Look how beautiful. Look how pretty. Look at the, can you see that? Is it focusing? Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. And I like the little script in the background. Oh my God, this is stunning. So a woodland, foresty. Oh, what is this? This is like a paper clip. How cute! For my personal junk journal. A bookmark. But I'm going to use it as a paper clip for my junk journal. Look how pretty. And look at the background. Even on the paper itself. I can use that for sure. Oh my God, I love this theme. This is a beautiful theme. Cling stamp. Let's see what we got here. I'm telling you, the stamps are just so beautiful. And I love stamps because you get so much use out of them for anything. Let me see. Oh, this is a big one too. This one's beautiful. Look at that. So you get 2 huge stamps. Oh, gorgeous. I love that. What is this? Oh, look at the box. That's very pretty. These kind of maybe playing cards. She's got the prettiest little stickers and oh god, this is beautiful. Look at this pretty color. I love this. I like that salmon. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, this is cool. And you know, these can go with anything, pretty much. This is not focused. There we go. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, these will go. Look at these colors. They go with just about any journal. I mean, I'm thinking journal, but you can do anything you want with them. Look how cute. How retro and vintage pretty. Oh, I love that one. Oh my god. I can't. You know that I'm going to go through all this quietly and just dwell on all this goodness. Look how pretty. Look at all this ephemera, guys. This is my favorite. The one that was on the box. I love that. Railroad, little coupons. I might use that today as we speak. As a matter of fact, look at that, how pretty. That's beautiful. Beautiful. So just in this little box alone, look at all the goodness you get just in this one little tiny box. Well, it's not that tiny, but look how pretty. And then you can hold it and keep it in here. How cute. Love it. And what is this? Note cards. Just little note cards. But of course, I do want to see what they are. Because there could be like little journaling cards or anything you like. And what I like a lot about the Yourcreativestudio ephemera box is that they, well, the ones that I've had so far, they're got, you know, they have a theme, but the colors are pretty neutral. So guys, you can incorporate them through, look at these, oh, through on any journal. Oh, I like these even to make a little notebook. Super cutie. Love this. Oh, can we talk about spring journal? I know this is woodsy and Christmas and everything, but look at this. These little stickers are just so cute. And look how cute they match the little tissue. So right here we have a layout. What is this? Sticky notes. Again, you know, I love the background paper. We can use that little card for something. Look how adorable. Beautiful. Christmas cards. I don't know. I'm thinking these are more, well, these are these sticker, these are these, let's see, these are little stamps, but I love the background paper on here. Oh, how cute. I love cats. Well, I love all animals, but now I have a cat. Adorable. How cute, and it looks a little bit like my cat. Black, white. How cute. I can't wait to show my hubby. Look at all these gorgeous stamps. Look how, oh, I love this one. Look how pretty. These are precious. Oh, this is so cute. Love that. Oh, I love the squirrel too. Oh my god, these are adorable. Just a great little accent on anything. A journaling card, a little tag throughout your journals. I mean, and see how they kind of go with anything? So the sky's the limit. So, If I'm ever looking for that final little touch, guys, this is where I come. I have all the Your Creative Studio goodness separately. So I go in there and just kind of pick and pepper a little stuff all over. Oh, these are tags. Oh my God, I love this theme. Let me see. And these are nice size tags too. Oh, what a nice day. It's like gloomy outside. Perfect day to cuddle up with some cute ephemera. Let me see the background. I can use that. Why not? Look how cute. Are these the same? Yeah, they probably are. Look how pretty. Nice size. And they have the reinforced. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are adorable. Again, I'm thinking spring. I don't know why I have spring in my heart. Look how beautiful. Look how much you get in this box. Oh, I love that basket. Gorgeous. Oh my God, I can't wait to see her spring and summer boxes. They gotta be stunning. Look at that. Oh, I love these. Oh, I love these. Oh, I love this in pink. Oh my God, a pink box. Oh, look how beautiful. And that's apps. Oh, I love that one. So I love them all, but that one's beautiful. What else we got here? I got more stickers. Look how pretty. Look at the little baby. Love that. Paper. Oh my God, you guys. Look how pretty, like vellum. Look how beautiful. This vellum is gorgeous. Oh, this time it's all vellum. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. Oh, look at this foresty looking one. How pretty to go with the stickers or any of this. It's beautiful. Look at this one. Stunning. So guys, this is the November ephemera box for Your Creative Studio. And I don't know if she has any left, but like I said, I'm going to link everything underneath. Hopefully she'll have some of this one left because it's stunning and you can get yourself some. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. I'm going to be using some little things here and there. Actually, I want to do like a project just using this and maybe some other things. So that'll be coming up. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Go get your goodies. Bye.